Good morning, all of you. Today, our topic is matrices and subtopic is properties of determinants. Objectives: understand the properties of determinants. We go to the properties of determinants. These properties are true for determinants for any order. These are often used to simplify the determinant before expanding. The first one is reflection property. The determinant remains unaltered if its rows are changed into columns and the columns into rows. For example, determinant of A1 B1 C1 A2 B2 C2 A3 B3 C3 is equal A1 A2 A3 B1 B2 B3 C1 C2 C3. The second one, all zero property. If all elements of a row or column are zero, then the determinant is zero. You observe here, this is a very important property. If all the elements of row or columns are zero, then the determinant is zero. For example, you observe here in the first row 0 0 0 A2 B2 C2 A3 B3 C3, we have to do the expansion of first row. We have to equating the 0. We get the result is also equal to 0. The third one is switching property. The interchange of any two rows or columns of the determinant changes its sign. For example, if delta is equal to A1 B1 C1 A2 B2 C2 A3 B3 C3 and delta dash equal A3 B3 C3 A2 B2 C2 A1 B1 C1, then delta is equal, we write minus delta dash. The number 4, repetition property. If all the elements of a row or column are identically to the elements of the some other row or column, then the determinant is 0. For example, as R1 equal to R3, similarly as C1 equal to C2, scalar multiple property. If all the elements of row or column of a determinant are multiplied by a non-zero constant, then the determinant gets multiplied by the same constant. For example, we write Ka1, Kb1, Kc1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3 equal to, we have to write outside of the K into A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3. Number 6 property, proportionality property. If the elements of row or column are proportional to the elements of the some other row or column, then the determinant is 0. You have to observe here, if the elements of a row or column are proportional to the elements of the some other row or column, then the determinant is 0. For example, A1 B1 C1 A2 B2 C2 Ka1 Kb1 Kc1 equal to K into A1 B1 C1 A2 B2 C2 A1 B1 C1 is equal K into 0 equal to 0. Number 4, sum property. If each element of a row or column of determinant is expressed as a sum of two or more terms, then the determinant can be expressed as the sum of two or more determinants. For example, A1 plus B1 C1 D1 A2 B2 C2 D2 A3 plus B3 C3 D3 is equal, we have to write A1 C1 D1 A2 C2 D2 A3 C3 D3 plus B1 C1 D1 B2 C2 D2 B3 C3 D3. Next property, property of invariance. If two each element of any row or column of a determinant are added or subtracted with k times the corresponding elements of any row or column, then the determinant remains unchanged. For example, a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c2 a3 b3 c3 is equal, we have to write a1 plus k b1 L C1 A2 K B2 L C2 A3 K B3 plus L C3 B1 C1 B2 C2 B3 C3. Number 9, factor property. If a determinant delta becomes 0 when we put x equal to a, then x minus a is a factor of delta. For example, x minus a and x minus b are the factors of xab, axb, abx. Number 10, triangle property. If all the elements of a determinant above or below the main diagonal consists of zeros, then the determinant is equal to the product of diagonal elements. For example, a1 a2 a3 0 b2 b3 0 0 c3 is equal a1 0 0 a2 b2 0 a3 b3 c3 is equal a1 b2 c3. Summary. We have discussed about 10 properties of a determinants. Quiz. The expansion delta equal a1 a1 b1 b1 c1 c1, where capital A1 capital B1 capital C1 are the cofactors of small a1 small b1 small c1 respectively, is known as Newton expansion, Laplace expansion, Cramer's expansion, Leibniz expansion. What is the answer? Okay, we go to the next one. A determinant of order 3 can be expanded in terms of only first row, only first column, only row or any row and column, none of this. What is the answer? Any row and columns. If x is not equal to 0, the determinant a1 a0 a1 a2 minus x 0 0 minus x vanishes if a0 a1 a2 is 0, a0 plus a1 equal to a1, a0 a2 equal to a1, d none of this. Okay, thank you very much.